Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a guard action in Warhammer Underworlds. To do this, first you will need to flip your activation token in your turn. Then let's say that I want to use a guard action on this dog. Then I place the guard token on my model. And now he can defend on both of the sides of the dice. So that means on the shield and on that arrow. And normally he would only defend on the arrow. But in this case, in any combat sequence, I can count the shield and the arrow as a success. Also, I can mention that using a guard action removes the stagger from that model. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.